Myself, Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. Today in this video lecture, I am going to explain you the poem Our Kazirona Tree, composed by Toru Dutt, a famous Indian poetess. This is my second video lecture on this topic. This poem is in the syllabus of BA Part 1st, English Literature, Paper 1st, Unit B. Students, this is the first stanza of this poem, Our Kazirona Tree. First of all, I read the lines. Like a huge python winding round and round, the rugged trunk intended deep with scars, up to its very summit near the stars, a creeper climbs, in whose embraces bound no other tree could live, but gallantly the giant wears the scarf, and the flowers are hung in crimson clusters, all the boughs among, whereon all day are gathered bird and bee, and oft at nights the garden overflows with one sweet song that seems to have no close, sung darkling from our tree while men repose. Students, first of all, I tell you the simple meanings of the words huge. Huge means very big in size. Python. Python is a large non-poisonous snake that crushes its prey. Winding. Winding means twisting. Rugged. Rugged means rough or uneven. Scars. Scars means scratches or dents. Summit means top. Creeper means a creeping plant. Embraces means hugs. Gallantly means like a brave person or a warrior. Giant means very huge tree. Scarf means a muffler worn round neck. Crimson means deep red color. Clusters means bunches of flowers. Boughs means branches of the trees. Darkling means in the dark or at the time of night. And repose means take rest or sleep. Now I tell you the reference with context of these lines. These are the opening lines of the poem Our Kazirona Tree, composed by the famous poetess Toru Dutt. In this poem, the poetess gives a wonderful description of the Kazirona tree that grew in her garden house. It was surrounded by a creeper which was like a scarf round the neck of the tree. This poem reveals Toru Dutt as a poetess of nature. Explanation of the lines. Like a huge python. In this line, Toru Dutt says that Kazirona tree in the house garden of the poetess is surrounded on all sides by a creeper which look like a huge python, winding round and round the rugged trunk. This creeper is going round and round the rough and uneven trunk of the Casuarina tree. Indented deep with scars, this trunk of the tree is full of dents and scratches up to its very summit near the stars. And this tree's branches spread to the top near the stars. It shows that the tree is very huge in size, as if it is touching the stars in the sky. A creeper climbs in whose embraces bound. So a creeping plant climbs up the tree and embraces the tree tightly. No other tree could live. No other tree could survive these tight embraces of the creeper. The creeper embraces the tree so tightly that no other tree could survive these tight embraces of the creeper. But gallantly the giant wears the scarf. But this Casuarina tree, like a true warrior, wears the creeper like a muffler round its neck. And flowers are hung in crimson clusters, all the boughs among. The bunches of deep red flowers are hanging on all the branches of this Casuarina tree, whereon all day are gathered bird and bee. The birds and the bees gather in these branches throughout the whole day. And oft at nights the garden overflows with one sweet song that seems to have no close. The poetess says that often at night the whole garden overflows with one melodious song which seems unending, sung darkling from our tree while men repose. This song is sung by the birds and the bees in the night from the Casuarina tree when all people sleep and take rest. So students, in these lines the poetess invests the tree with a marvelous glamour. The Casuarina is a big tree. Its trunk is rough and uneven. It is marked with deep scratches. Its main stem is rough. The tree is very huge in size. It is like a huge python. It has a creeper around it. The creeper can do no damage to it. The tree rather puts on the creeper like a girl putting on a scarf. The creeper thus enhances the tree's beauty. No other tree could exist with a creeper embracing the tree like this. The Casuarina tree, however, allows the creeper to embrace it all round. In all the boughs of the tree, clusters of flowers deep red in color are hung. Birds and bees are gathered on the boughs all day long and enjoy its shade. Often at night the birds make music. The music of the different birds cannot be distinguished, especially at night in the dark. All music appears to be one. It appears as if the tree is singing at night without stopping. The music is heard all night. It seems to continue throughout the night while men rest after their day's labor. So this was the first stanza of the poem. In the next video lecture, I will explain you the next stanza of the poem. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.